So what I want to say that here the zeros are at the left side. Okay, but if the zeros will be at right side, then what will be the thing? If in this case there is a decimal like this, if x is equals to suppose 0.0042, then there will be no problem. If x equals to 0.0042, then also the significant digit will be 2. Then also the significant digit will be 2. So there is no role of this decimal. There is no role of this decimal when the zeros are at the left side of the non-zero digit. But it has a great role if this point is, or this decimal is at the right side. At the right side, when the zeros are occurring at the right side, then this point or this decimal has a great role. Like if this is actually the rule number 4. If zeros are at the right side, like 4200, if x equals to 4200, then here in this case the number of significant digit is 2. The number of significant digit is 2. Okay, but the number of significant digit is 2. But if we made a point, a decimal over here, like x equals to 4.200, then here the significant number of significant digit will be 4. So if the zeros are occurring at the right side after decimal, okay, if there is a decimal or the zeros are occurring at the right side, then that zeros are counted as significant digit. But if the zeros are occurring at the right side, there is no decimal, no point, then the zeros are not counted as significant digit. Is it clear? So here the significant digit is 2, but here the significant digit is 4. Again, there is another case also. If the zeros are at the right side, like x is equals to 200, in that case this zero is not counted as significant digit, as I have said earlier. But if there is a unit like x is equals to 200 meter, okay, then in that case the zeros are treated as significant digit. Okay, so when the zeros are at the left side, then there is no problem. They are not counted as significant digit. Either there is a decimal or not, either this is a decimal number or not. But if the zeros are occurring at the right side of the numbers, then these zeros are counted as significant digit or not. That will depend on many things. One is, if there is a decimal, there is a point, then the zeros are counted as significant digit. But if there is no decimal, then the zeros are not counted as significant digit. Similarly, these zeros are counted as significant digit if the number carries a unit, and if the number does not carry any unit, then these zeros are not counted as significant digit. Okay, so when the zeros are at the right side, be careful. If zeros are at the left side, then there is no problem. Only the non-digits numbers are counted as significant digit. But if the zeros are at right side, then there is a problem. You have to follow the rules properly, whether there is a unit or not, whether there is a point or not. Okay, so now let me discuss the other rules also. Please give me time to wrap this thing. Okay. Now there is also a rules. Let me take as number 6. Okay, 6. Suppose there is a power of 10. If there is a power of 10, then the power of 10 are not counted as significant digit, like 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 7, 10 to the power minus 7. These types of powers when appears. Let us take a number that is x is equals to 1.4 into 10 to the power 7 or 10 to the power minus 7. Here the number of significant digit, if you are asked to find the number of significant digit, then the number of significant digit will be 2, as the power of 10 are not counted as significant digit. Okay, and the rule number 7 is very important, that if we change from one unit to another unit, like 4067 meter, x is equals to, if we change it to centimeter, okay, so it will be x is equals to 4067 into 10 to the power 2 centimeter. So these are not counted as significant digit, so that the number of significant digit will not change. Here the number of significant digit is 4, and here also the number of significant digit is 4. So the number of significant digit will not change when we change the number from one unit to other unit. Okay, it can be transformed into kilometer, then it will be 4.067 kilometer, and here also the number of significant digit will be same, that is 4. So when we change from one unit to another unit, the significant digit will not change. Okay, so these are certain rules of determining the number of significant digit. So very simple questions are asked from these topics in various exam. You are given a number and you are asked to find the number of significant digit. Okay, let me summarize the rules. Okay, let me summarize the rules in a tabular method. Okay, so the concept will be more clear to you. Let me discuss in tabular form. Okay, like this. Here the number, you can see like this. Left side I want to give left side the number, and right side the number of significant digit. Okay, the number of significant digit. So first I want to give you some numbers. Okay, like 1 2 first 1 2 3 7 6. So the number of significant digit here is what? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this was the rule number 1 actually. Now second, all non-zero digits are significant, I have said earlier, and the second one is 6024.7. here 1 2 3 4 5, so here will also be 5. Now number 3, here is 0.071, so number of significant digit is 2 because the zeros are the left side. And number 4, I can give you 420 meter like this, so here the number of significant is 3 because it carries unit. Okay, and number 5 is simple 720, so here the number of significant digit will be 2 because the zeros is occurring at the right side and there is no unit, no fraction, not a decimal, so it will be 2 only. And then number 6, it will be 2.40, so here is a point, so this 0 is counted as significant digit, so the number of significant digit will be simply 3. And number 7, if I asked you 1.6 into 10 to the power 14, okay, then what? Then it will be 2 because the power of 10 are not counted as significant digit. Okay, clear? So this is all about significant digit. So thank you.